In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best dash cams. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So, here are the top 5 best dash cams. Number 5. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 is perfect for drivers who want discreet protection without cluttering their windshield. Despite its ultra-compact size, it records clear 1080p video with a wide 140-degree field of view, capturing key road details day and night. Garmin's Clarity Polarizer helps reduce glare from windshields and headlights, while automatic incident detection saves important footage instantly. Voice control lets you operate the camera hands-free, keeping your focus on the road. Simple, reliable, and easy to install, this dash cam is ideal for everyday drivers who value simplicity and trusted Garmin performance. Number 4. Rove R3. The Rove R3 delivers excellent all-around coverage with front, cabin, and rear recording in sharp resolution. Designed with a heat-resistant supercapacitor, it performs reliably in extreme temperatures, making it ideal for long-term use. Built-in GPS tracks speed and location, while Wi-Fi allows quick access to footage through a smartphone app. With parking monitoring, loop recording, and a responsive touchscreen display, this dash cam offers dependable protection whether you're driving, parked, or managing rideshare trips. It's a solid choice for drivers who want strong features at a practical price. Number 3. Red Tiger F17 Elite. The Red Tiger F17 Elite stands out with powerful 4K front recording, paired with high-resolution rear and cabin cameras for complete coverage. Its advanced night vision delivers impressive clarity in low-light conditions, while Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast video transfers when you need footage quickly. The built-in GPS adds valuable driving data, and the large touchscreen makes navigation and playback effortless. Whether you're commuting daily or driving at night, this dash cam offers premium performance, smart features, and excellent value for drivers who want reliable evidence on every journey. Number 2. Viofo A329 S4K. The Viofo A329S is a top-tier dash cam trusted by enthusiasts for its exceptional video quality. Featuring a stunning 4K front camera and high-resolution rear and cabin recording, it captures critical details with outstanding clarity. Starvis 2 sensors improve low-light performance, while Wi-Fi 6 enables fast, smooth video downloads. Its intelligent parking mode keeps watch when your car is unattended, offering extra peace of mind. With premium build quality and advanced features, this dash cam is perfect for drivers who want professional-grade performance without compromise. Number 1. Vantru N5S4 Channel. Taking the top spot is the Vantru N5S4 Channel dash cam, delivering complete 360-degree protection around your vehicle. With 4 cameras recording simultaneously, it captures the front, rear, and interior views with remarkable clarity, even in low-light conditions thanks to advanced Starvis sensors. Built-in GPS, voice control, and fast Wi-Fi make it incredibly easy to use, while flexible recording modes adapt to different driving needs. Ideal for families, rideshare drivers, and security-focused users, this premium dash cam offers unmatched coverage and peace of mind on every drive. And there you have it, the top 5 best dash cams designed to keep you protected, informed, and confident on the road. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.